Ever wondered how to buy Bitcoin on Cash App and send it to another wallet? In this guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of purchasing Bitcoin on Cash App and securely transferring it to an external wallet. First, open Cash App on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. Once logged in, tap the banking tab, the icon with the house or bank. From there, tap on Bitcoin to access the Bitcoin section. To buy Bitcoin, tap on Buy and select the amount of Bitcoin you wish to purchase. You can either enter a specific dollar amount or use the slider to adjust how much Bitcoin you want to buy. Confirm your payment method, which could be linked to your Cash App balance, bank account, or debit, credit card, and complete the purchase. After your purchase is complete, the Bitcoin will appear in your Cash App wallet. To send Bitcoin to another wallet, tap on the Send button in the Bitcoin section of Cash App. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address or scan their QR code for ease. Enter the amount you wish to send and review the transaction details before confirming. Cash App will ask you to verify the transaction using your PIN or biometric authentication for security purposes. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin will be sent to the external wallet. Keep in mind that the transaction may take some time depending on the network speed, but you'll receive a confirmation once the transaction is complete. In conclusion, buying Bitcoin on Cash App and sending it to another wallet is a simple process. By following the steps, you can easily purchase Bitcoin, manage your funds, and send them to an external wallet for safekeeping or further use.